for today's video, how to make drawing in sakura similator. So let's start. So click action switch and go to API and this and menu for edit item primitive OBG AG and wall. Adjust position. Small. Adjust position. Small. Adjust position. And this. And material change this and choose your you want color. I want this color or this. This and find other and click text. Adjust position. Wait guys. Find text. Adjust position. Adjust position. Adjust position. Adjust position. Adjust position. And adjust position. Click text. And guys, sa Google nyo kukunin ha. Pero saan kasi naan sa Google, search nyo lang ASIL copy paste. Doon, ito copy nyo lang. Tapos, ganito nyo. Paste. And okay. Text. And adjust position. Adjust position. This and color black. And this guys, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell and like para update guys sa aking ginagawang mga videos. See ya!